Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you liked my previous all three videos, which was about CWRV introduction, levels, and candlesticks. So in today's video, I'm going to cover the volume analysis topic, guys. Volume analysis is very important if you analyze the market with the help of CWRV concept, because that V stands for volume. C means candle, W means wick. So we are going to read the candle along with their wicks and their volume, and based on all the informations, we'll try to analyze the market, right? So let's start the video, guys. And before starting that, please note that I'm not a financial advisor. So this video is only for educational purposes. Consider this video as a good informative video only. So here I am on Euro USD chart, and here I can see that market is moving in a range. I have placed some support and resistance levels. Like here, you can see that this is the resistance level. These two lines are representing the resistance level. This line is representing the support level. And market is taking support from this particular place and now trying to move in up direction. Now let's try to understand previous 5-6 candles and volume analysis, and then we'll try to analyze the recent market. Like buyers have broke the area, they increased the volume. Again, buyers took control over the market. In this candle, there are more area captured by the buyer side. They drop the volume. As soon as they drop the volume, sellers took control over the market, and they are so nice, right? But even though they have increased the body, they drop the volume. It means they are weak. But again, sellers entered very strongly and they have increased the volume. So because of that reason, these fluctuations are there in the market. But in the recent market also, I can see that one buyer's candle tried to take control of the market, but rejected from the seller side from this particular area and closed with a very good wick from the seller side, right? So in this candle, more area captured by the seller's wick, and they also have increased the volume. So there are possibility that the upcoming candle can be a seller's candle, but this candle closed as a good buyer's candle, 100% healthy buyer's candle, right? Okay. Now, this candle dropped the volume. It means buyers are so nice in the market, but they are not good enough to break the zone, break the level, right? And recently, buyers tried to break the level, but as soon as they broke the level, sellers took control over the market and they closed under the level. Means they entered in the zone again, right? It means sellers are so nice nearby these places, and buyers cannot break that area in just 1 minute, even they are weak, right? So yes, there are possibility that here sellers can take control over the market. Okay. Now you can see that sellers are trying to take control over the market, and they're also increasing their volume. Okay. Here you can see that this candle closed as a, okay, it's a doji candle, but still this candle have respected the area which I was expecting, right? Okay, now here I can see that they also have increased the volume. It means sellers are so nice nearby these two places. We can trust these two lines, right? Let's see. Let the candle move up. Okay, so we can consider from this particular place, again, market can reject. Why? Because previously it was a very fresh rejection, right? Very fresh rejection from the seller side, and they also have increased the volume. So when they increased the volume, it means they increased the power and possibility of the same party, right? So that's why I said that there are more possibility that from here again sellers can take control over the market, and here it can be a golden opportunity, guys, for the sellers, right? Because market is trying to reach out to these places and from these places all the time. Like here you can see that when sellers have entered, they entered very strongly with the candle with the volume. Here again sellers entered, they entered with the candle with the volume very strongly. Now here also you can say that sellers have entered, they entered very good with the candle rejection and the volume, right? So sellers are so nice nearby these places. So that's why there are more possibility that market can respect these areas, right? So let's open the chart again. And guys, if you want to understand the daily updates about the market, then you can follow me on my different social media platforms. So yes, here you can see that rejection is good from the seller side, but this time they dropped the volume. So see, volume is very important. Volume represents the power of that individual candle, right? So volume drop means they drop the power. Volume increase means they are so good with the numbers, right? So here I can see that they are low with the numbers. They are low means they are weak. So there are possibility that the other party can take control of the market. But yeah, let's wait for it. Okay, sellers are trying to control over the market, but again they have dropped the volume. So this can be a problem for sellers, and this can be a good opportunity for the buyers, because buyers are so nice nearby this place, right? We have some good rejections here also. So let's try to draw some good support level. This is a very strong support level. This is not that a strong support level, but these two purple lines are very nice support level. Okay, let's wait for it. Buyers are trying to take control over the market. If this candle will close as a very good buyer's candle and they drop the volume, that can be a very solid opportunity for the sellers. Okay, because see, sellers are already strong in the previous market, right? Sellers are already so nice. Okay, let's wait for it. Now here they have increased the volume. That can be a problem. We cannot consider it as a good seller's opportunity, but we can consider this as a very good buyer's opportunity. Why? Because they have increased the body size. Along with that, they also have increased the volume. So there are possibility that buyers can take control over the market here. Okay, let's see. Because in the previous candle, the fluctuation is also so nice and they also have covered a very big area, right? And previously they also have broke the area with high volume. The next candle was a buyer's candle. So here we can expect the same. Buyers have entered very strongly. They increase the volume. Next candle we can expect as a buyer's candle, right? And especially the momentum was so nice. In this candle, the momentum was so nice. If you have watched it properly, then you can see that in this candle, the fluctuation was so good. They covered more area, they increased the volume, they entered with a very good candle body size, right? So everything is supporting buyers at this place. So that's why there are possibility that this candle can close as a buyer's candle. Okay. And guys, if you are getting good information from this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe this YouTube channel and share this YouTube channel with all your friends and family who need these types of informations. And yes, follow me on my different social media platforms like Instagram. And yeah, I hope you learned something good. And now that's it for today. I'll see you in my next video tomorrow.